common problem and usually happens due to FPS instability, graphics settings, background processes, or FACEIT anti-cheat conflicts. Let me give you a full step-by-step guide to fix it. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. 1. NVIDIA, http://nvidia.com/download index.aspx. Please open your app to see this link. 2. AMD, unit at amd.com/support. Please open your app to see this link. 3. Install the latest game-ready Adrenaline driver. 4. Restart PC. Open quote, stuttering is often caused by outdated GPU drivers. Close quote. Step 2. Optimize CS2 launch options. 1. Open Steam library, Counter-Strike 2 properties, launch options. 2. Add these, example for smoother gameplay. You can see the code in our conversation history. Replace X with your CPU threads. Check Task Manager performance, CPU cores 2 for logical cores. Open quote, removes unnecessary animations, sets max FPS, and improves tick stability. Close quote. Step 3. Check FACEIT anti-cheat conflicts. 1. Make sure FACEIT AC is updated. 2. Run CS2 as administrator. 3. Disable overlays, Discord, Steam overlay, MSI Afterburner, NVIDIA Shadowplay, etc. 4. Restart PC. Open quote, FACEIT AC sometimes causes jitter if overlays interfere with kernel-level hooks. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings for smooth FPS, resolution, native or slightly lower for stability, texture quality, medium or high depending on VRAM, VSync, off, anti-aliasing, low, medium, effect, shadow detail, low, reduces CPU, GPU spikes, motion blur depth of field, off. Open quote, keeping FPS stable is more important than ultra graphics, close quote. Have step 5, Windows optimization. 1. Set high performance. WinR powercfg.cpl high performance. 2. Disable background apps. WinI apps startup disable unnecessary apps. 3. Game mode on. WinG settings game mode on. 4. Full screen optimizations off. Right-click CS2.exe properties compatibility disable full screen optimizations. Step 6. Network and ping check. Optional but helpful. Use wired connection Ethernet. Close bandwidth-heavy apps, Discord voice video, streaming, downloads. FACEIT jitter can also be caused by packet loss. Now, Step 7 Advanced. Verify game files. 1. Steam CS2 properties, local files, verify integrity. Fixes corrupted files causing micro-stutters. Extra tip. If stuttering persists, enable FPS smoothing in CS2 and limit background processes to only essential ones. Some high-end CPUs GPU setups still jitter if the FACEIT kernel driver conflicts with overlays or CPU affinity.